Hi, I'm Susanna Anderson, author of the Read Yourself in Education curriculum series. This is a literature-based curriculum, and what that means is that students will be learning from real, living books that are widely available at bookstores and libraries, as opposed to just a pre-boxed curriculum. The advantage of this approach is that the whole family can learn together, centered around a common theme, but with everyone working at their own individual level. Because of this, literature-based learning captures student interest unlike anything else, which of course leads to greater enjoyment and retention of the materials that were studied. This instills a lifelong love of learning, encourages family bonding, prevents teacher burnout, and saves parent educators valuable time and money. There are a total of 4 volumes that are each centered around core themes. Volume 1 goes around the world, country by country. Volume 2 goes around the USA, state by state. Volume 3 takes students through world history, and Volume 4 finishes up with US history. Each of these volumes covers 2 academic years for a total of 8 academic years, at which point the cycle repeats. Each volume can be used individually, or the entire volume set can be followed through in its entirety for 8 years, taking students all the way from elementary school to high school before the cycle repeats. Here I picked China for a sample chapter to demonstrate how the curriculum works. You can find all this information in a free PDF of the first semester on my website, readyourselfineducation.com. A general overview of the country of China is followed by book suggestions that introduce students to the country of China, as well as Mongolia and other areas. It is then followed by a section on the history of this country, including such important aspects as the Great Wall of China, Marco Polo and the Silk Route. This is followed by science concepts that tie in with the topic of China, such as learning about panda bears, ducks, and science in ancient China. This is followed by literature suggestions, going all the way from picture books for the youngest members of the family to juvenile fiction books for the older students. The chapter finishes off with a list of suggested activities, such as visiting a Chinese food market in your area, trying your hand at Chinese brush painting or calligraphy, learning how to write Mandarin words, building a Great Wall of China. Every single book that is recommended in this curriculum series has been personally checked and proofread by our family to make sure that they are in line with our conservative Christian values. So grab your copy of Read Yourself in Education on Amazon today and come join us on our literary journey across the globe and through time.